Hello. Breaking news. We're going to have some fun, man. So we got a shiny, pretty bit right here, okay? Because my sister Jill, shout out to Jill, love you. Right, she pointed me to this bit right here, and then, it's shiny and it's pretty. Look at what it says. It says, Supreme Court issues emergency border crisis order with serious nationwide implications. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so this is a fun bit. Okay, this is a fun bit because, I had to hop on the screen because I was called off of the bench. And then I hopped on the screen and then I checked out this bit right here. And then this was being done by, I guess this man's name is the Armed Scholar. And then he started talking, and then I heard what he was talking about. And then he was talking about Texas SB4. And I was like, oh, Texas SB4? So that's what the courts are talking about? So I went online, and then I typed in Texas Law, SB4, enter. And then Brave Leo, my artificial intelligence, brought me back Texas, this bit right here. Okay, so we're going to show you this other bit where it says Texas Game Show. Okay, so now I got the Texas Tribune. Okay, because they were talking about a law in Texas because that's what the court was talking about. So I was like, okay, what does this say? So I'm giving you a headline now for the breaking news. Okay, it says, this is coming from the Texas Tribune. It says, if it survives in court, Texas immigration law could upend immigration enforcement nationwide. Okay. I love these headlines, man. They're just fun. Okay. So it says Texas challenged federal supremacy by creating a state crime for illegal entry into the U.S. The courts, the Supreme Court, the courts will decide whether it's constitutional and whether other states can follow Texas's lead. Okay. So here's the fun bit right here. Okay, so Texas, as a state, as a creature of the people, it's supposed to protect the border of the people. The United States, as another creature of the people, it's supposed to protect the border of all of the United States, right? But what's happening right now is that our government creatures aren't following the law as written, and then they've allowed people to come across our border without being checked properly. Okay. Now, once you enter into these United States, there's no way that people can be checked. Okay. And this is the trick, people. This is the trick because they got you focused on the shiny, pretty bit about the immigration law. Okay. But once you can't check people once they come into America because you don't know if they're one of the people or not. Okay. Unless they break the law, unless they harm one of the people, right? You cannot stop them. You cannot check them. Okay. We're going to show you some game right here. Okay. Here we go. So you're going to see this bit on the screen where we got the author's sponsors statement of intent, okay? Because we had to pull up what the Senate bill for the Texas SB4 was, okay? It's a Senate bill, okay? And remember, the Senate is a creature of we the people. That's one of my servants, okay? So the Senate bill, this is what it says. It says the author. So whoever created this bill, this is what their statement of intent is. This is what they want to do with this bill. It says Senate Bill 4 looks to prohibit sanctuary city policies, okay? That prohibit local law enforcement from inquiring about a person's immigration status, all right? I'm gonna pause right there. Remember, a person's not a man, a person's not a woman, a person's not a child, a person's not a people. A person is a tool that the people use to speak to, okay? Government is a person, okay? Remember this, okay? Law enforcement and the law enforcers are persons, okay? Remember this, and we're going to be cool, okay? All right, so let's keep it going. It says, and complying with detainer request, okay? These policies often also prohibit the sharing of information regarding a person's immigration status with the federal government, okay? That's a whole lot of babble. A whole lot of babble. Okay, so let's just cut straight to the chase, all right? So now we're going to show you this question. So this is a question that I would ask all of my creatures, okay? I would ask this to my judge because my judge is just supposed to show the law. I would ask this to my legislature because my legislature, they're just supposed to write the law as written underneath the constitutions, okay? Here's a question. Can law enforcement stop people in Texas and check immigration status? Yes or no? Okay. This one's going to hurt. Okay. This one is going to hurt, man, because, because our government isn't doing the law, right? And then it's just lawless right now and they're not following what the law is as written. We got a lot of problems right now. Okay. But that doesn't mean that you can usurp the law. Okay. So this question is very simple. Can law enforcement stop people in Texas? Hold on, I got to sneeze, I think. Can law enforcement stop people in Texas and check immigration status? Yes or no? I asked this to all my servants. Now check out this bit right here. It says Texas Constitution, because we're going to the roots, okay? Texas Constitution, Article 1, Bill of Rights, okay? Section 9, okay? This is what it says. It says searches and seizures, okay? It says the people, hi, I'm one of the people, okay? It says the people shall be secure in their persons, okay? That means that you can't stop them and you can't check their immigration status, man. So the Supreme Court should shoot down this bit, okay? And we're going to see what happens in the future, okay? If they follow the law as written, okay? It says the people shall be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and possessions from unreasonable seizures or searches, and no warrant to search any place or to seize any person or thing shall issue without describing them as near as may be, nor without probable cause supported by oath or affirmation. Okay. So if you don't have an affidavit, if you don't have a sworn oath or affirmation, you cannot stop the people, right? And just because you think that they may be an immigrant, which you don't know, I don't know how you would know if somebody's an immigrant or not, an illegal immigrant at that, in America, in the United States, without stopping them and checking them, man, because you can't tell by what they look like, okay? So if our law enforcers are stopping people and say, let me see your papers, they're breaking the law, man. It's real simple. Okay. So that case should be dead in the water, but we're going to see what happens, man, because the shiny, pretty people are going to talk about this. Okay. We're done. All right. So check out our mission. Our mission is to teach people words to operate trust tools. Okay. That's it. We just showed you one bit from Texas. Texas is a trust tool of the people. And we're just showing you one bit right there, man, is that you can't stop the people, man. You can't stop the people and you can't say, let me see your walking papers, man. It's against the law, okay? And now you got the answer to the question. The question is can law enforcement stop people in Texas and check immigration status? The answer is no. The answer is no. I'm sorry if this is going to hurt your feelings, but the answer is no, okay? Now, the problem is that the people got to focus on our government creatures following the laws written and securing the border. Okay. You're supposed to secure the border and people are supposed to come in and out of America, of these United States properly. And they're not doing it right now because our government isn't following the law. They're breaking the law. That's called treason. Okay. Remember this and we're going to be cool. So we can punish them in other ways, but you can't punish the people and you can't stop the people and say, I think that you're an illegal immigrant, right? You can't do that, people. It's against the law. Okay. All right, we're done. We're going to put this together. We're going to upload it. We're going to see how it flows. I'll talk to you guys in the future. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.